Your boy Mark on 17th of October 2025 with another CD in Zamel. Yeah, can't wait for this. Another compilation, rock compilation. Oh, you know what CD. I say it as if you don't know what CD it's gonna be, because I'm hearing stuff on it, which is weird because the guy just put it on the front porch, you know. He didn't even put it in the mailbox. Yep. Hopefully it's the right one. No reason it wouldn't be. Oh, using a birch tape. You know what? The building. I don't know if COVID stopped the guys that I bought this from being able to pick things up at the building, because we know where the building is. I get my blood test taken there. It's like that place doubles as a store, I guess. Anyway. Crusty demons. What is it? 34 adrenaline-fueled rock hits. Is Crusty demons a thing in America? Because this is like a Daredevil thing. Not Daredevil from Marvel. Or the Daredevil, like the bike motorcycle thing. You know? Oh, that'll be hard to see. Even if this thing does focus. But there's some great rock songs on here, man. I already have the album, but what's the album called? Eat Me, Drink Me by Marilyn Manson. But Heart Shaped Glasses on here. Teenagers by My Chemical Romance, that's on here too. I Write Sins Not Tragedies by Panic at the Disco, that's on here. Thanks for the Memories by Fall Out Boy, that's on here. Feel Afraid by Rammstein, that's on here. Breathe by Prodigy. Can't remember that song actually. Sugar by System of a Down is on here. Wait and Bleed by Slipknot. The End of Heartache by Killswitch Engage. That's a great song. Scum of the Earth by Rob Zombie. Yeah, a lot of other songs I don't recognize, admittedly, but oh my god, how do you turn this CD over? Oh. Crusty Demons. Yeah. I'm your boy Mark. Hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. And yeah, peace out. Have a good one.